Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy's name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Javon Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Big up Jamaican police. I respect everything you're doing. I watch you every day. Man, and when I tell you, I am so happy for what you are doing. And when you say the truth bites, I could tell it bites. Bless up again. Bless up. I love your program, man. I watch you every single day. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, so we want to thank that elderly listener, you know, listen to the Jamaica Young Police channel and always tuning in and letting everyone know that, you know, she enjoyed the program. So today, yes, you're looking at a man at your upper left, and the man beside him, that is Peter Bunting. So we're letting the, yeah man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts is a big known coke dealer in a Clarendon, living in Manchester. This is the same man who had brought a man from Haiti to kill the Prime Minister Andrew Willis. That's the man at the top right there. Yes, he had brought a man from Haiti. We have done a video about it here. The man was in Warwick Hill. So the same M16s that he had, you know, this man had brought from, Guy Philippe had brought from Haiti, came into, that was distributed between Warwick Hill and South Clarendon. That's owned by Rocky Point, where this man have influence. Rocky Point, wait a bit, and all these places. I used to station in Clarendon as a young police officer, so I know about all of these drug dealers. Not friends, I'm not friends with them. They don't know me because, you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to hear a policeman who used to work at a mobile reserve. He lives in the United States of America. And this policeman, he is defending Kevin Tillibert Roberts. Those of you who want to hear the full audio, the conversation of this policeman defending this drug dealer, it will be on Patreon in its fullness. But for now, others, you'll get it. We'll give it to you, various parts. It's gonna be in a 10-part series. Yeah, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. So this is the entire video, the entirety of it. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Moving on, the truth behind the badge, that's what them call it in America, badge. But in Jamaica, we just say police. We don't have no badge in Jamaica. We have ID. A candid conversation with a farmer cop. The street never forgets, and neither do the officers who walk them. So as we continue this powerful journey, through the eyes of a former Jamaican police officer, part 6 of our 10-part series, peel back yet another layer of the truths that many dare not speak. This isn't a sanitized version of policing. This is raw, unfiltered, and deeply personal. As our guest speaks candidly, what he witnessed during his time in the force and his perspective on Jamaica's current climate of crime, corruption, and confusion, from back alley informants to high-ranking hypocrisy, from loyalty tests in gunfire to betrayal whispered in office corridors. He's seen it all, and now you will too. So what to expect in this episode? Shocking stories from his patrol days, stories you won't find in a press release. His honest opinion on the state of the Jamaica Constabulary Force today, or political interference after handcuff justice more than any criminal ever could. The evolution of gangs, dons, and digital criminals, and why the battlefield has shifted. Reflection on brotherhood, broken system, and battles fought in silence. As always, we hold nothing back, because the mission of the Jamaica Young Police Channel is to speak the truth, defend decency, and educate those who refuse to glorify criminality. This is more than just a conversation. It is a revelation. It's documentation, and most importantly, it's preservation of a legacy that refuses to be erased. So sit back, stay sharp, and let's dive into part 6, the truth behind the JCF, because only when we face the past with our eyes open can we build a future with integrity. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 6 of this 10-part series. But
next week.
But say my rear admiral though.
Oh, is that?
You never know.
I'm not seeing a woman still.
Hey,
a rear admiral, you're not seeing a woman.
But say the boy named Andre Stephen leaked the man's secret.
Him, this man, he's a devil. Sometimes I call him and tell him something.
People.
You can't trace with a punk, brother.
People follow up all them man there.
You can't trace a punk, you can't trace Shabada, you can't trace them. Because the only thing you deal with a punk is get to the with everything. You can't trace a punk.
Shabada, I'm not my father, brother.
No, sir, I don't think so.
So then say Shabada, I'm my father, brother.
Remember say Bunty always say something when Bunty say the father say you bust up. Can DJ slang. No sir.
What Bunty say?
Shabada say you bust up, my talk about Beanie. So back in the ideas, I'm not saying that say it now.
Yeah.
Because it was a competition thing. So when a man put gape on your name.
No man, Beanie man a rear admiral man. Me not ask
you. You say that thing about you're going to our house and they shit up. You smell the shit for two, Potter.
They've never seen me couldn't tell you.
Yeah, Potter.
I tell you man.
Yes, the Patrick Roberts
and Beanie man, it two man in the house are sweat, and Beanie man have on a shorts, a little red shorts. And below him knee go down a pay fussy.
So you want me to say to you, Potter, who are you going to house? Is that such a want to make a raid?
Yeah man, a raid man. I see him man will it down the most. I know, so between me one video me do were released recently, but listen, I think yesterday and them thing, me talk about it too, you know. Yeah, man.
Me talk about. Me listen Beanie Man and I say, oh, the Batman stigma come. It's Patrick Woman.
Hey, look here. What you say him say?
It's a Patrick Woman at the time when Patrick and the woman are left. So she was the one who said, "Yeah, Batman, so that name."
Allah him tell on him thing. I tell you, say me go up and raid. We go up and raid at Jamaica Street. You understand? Cause the boy I know was the most wanted man. And boy named Christopher Brown, big Batman. I first.
AK, what was the AK?
Him name Chris. Chris him name man. He come from Payne Avenue man. That's 1993.
Okay.
January, about the 20-something of January.
Him did at the house?
No, him that's supposed to die at the house with Patrick Roberts and Beanie Man. Cause them have them thing, you know, 1, 2, 3 of them. You understand? So the first house we go at Jamaica Street and a Patrick Roberts and Beanie Man in night. Me I tell you say Beanie Man I sweat like the two man I sweat like pig. You understand? And he all stink like shit. And I police when he in Palmer now. Him dead man, him kill him 2014 March.
Okay.
He come from St. Mary, Kirk Palmer. I think he and Kirk Palmer was supposed to batch him it, you know.
Kirk Palmer,
He come from St. Mary, yeah man. And I Kirk Palmer now when we that house say, you know, yeah man, you know, fuck man. But him a Batman too, you know, we never did know then, you know.
Oh, Kirk Palmer?
Yes, him in a Batman, but we never did know then. So when him attack for experience. So that's why him did know say that them a do. Yeah man, I that the man me I tell you man like him, hey the man that you know the man that when I finish on him thing when him attack.
Yes.
I saw him say
when the inspector when they done I want to be essential. When in my run to politics now. That's why I can't when they catch me in the house with man up in the house. When I run up a city right away.
Oh, Amos?
Amos, you always clean shave.
Who say them catch man in the Amos with at first me I hear that.
Alright, you joke now. Me me not go running.
Hey, you can't talk to people and talk to me.
Yeah man, sorry about that. Me I talk on the phone that. Yeah, so me I tell you so now say. Man, break concentration now.
Where say man him say about Amos?
Oh, them say Amos.
Amos
no. Yes, so me book some man the other day, man a pastor, can't call him man.
Why?
And the man say Amos will never, I can't call him. He said Amos will never win. Me say why? I said Amos will get 20% support, man. He said no. I can tell you why. And catch him with that youth in the house up a simple balance this. He said serious something. He said yes.
At first me I hear that of them things.
He said yes, I'm catching that youth. I have to call somebody from up in that ear. One pastor man tell me wrong.
That's how about you are telling me and them. Yeah, well, between me and them thing. Yeah, but between me still me and them man are a big friend in a person. Me and them man are a friend, you know. Me never know them man the clique and them thing, but you know, when you come on to your rear admiral thing, me never you know. Between me and the only time I hear him name mentioned tonight and I Peter King tape. That's it, you understand?
No, then man, we used to go Central go work, man, like, you know, for some reason we used to go Central go work.
That's how them time in that Central.
Yeah, we don't get to man.
Say my real admiral.
Mobile man. Yeah, man. So first year, the mobile man is talking.
Yeah, but them thing they are room. Look here, let me tell you something. And you know, in case you don't know, you see police. Police tell lie upon them thing they call them like it. One thing with Amos still doing it. Him know work all them thing you know. You know say my thief to do.
Me don't know.
I tell me, man. Me and the man used to work still. The man respect me still doing as I work on them thing. Yeah, man, I mean. Yeah,
so it's a thief, went like what?
I mean, say man, dishonest and I people them or you mix up with them thing. Yeah, you have a boy where him and Dana Williams a family. Him dead down in Warbus. Warbus is a boy we bring in illegal. Yes. Then that the boy we met that the boy didn't have to run with them thing. I ain't time that the boy they come back to Jamaica them time they dey leave, you know. And them boy they get a license gun. Peter Phillips, may I tell you, and the same boy, may I tell you, say, alright, hey, it's true, me is not a licky police. The same boy tell me right at Unsby and him thing up on the corridor, man. I tell me, say, man, he must in a business up him have a asset, and him I tell me, say, boy, me for come link him and him thing there. Me say, oh, me say after, me say, me ain't a friend, man, him thing there. Cause him I tell me, you know, the same boy, I tell me, say, he must have him boy. So me say, oh, you can't say that. And the boy laugh and say, you don't know, Mr. Porter, you're different. So me not because a man have money and them thing, me run behind him and them thing. Me know all kind of people, and look here, as much as me know people, me mix what me no dissolve on them thing there. I just mean
that. But you know it works there. We give all kind of people fire.
Stop right there. Pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy, led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others, manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on to today's video.
But
I mean, know, hey, but look here. I mean, know what them do it still do, you know, because I don't mix up with certain kind of people. You understand?
No,
I don't mix up with that, because them man involved in a criminality. I say I feel my best friend kill him though.
Warbus,
yeah, man. Is a police once BMP if you kill Warbus. I brother name one British kill him, you know. Who owe the man in money? Yeah, man.
Who the
man in money and the man want him money. Instead of pay man, him just speak, give man $500,000 to kill him, man. So that's why I know a man become criminal. I yet still you know Warbus is a man with a dead fear that the man in and him see a man kill him. You understand? So that's why, you know, when him dead and him think the whole heap of people rejoice, because I must say, you know, the man they are friend killer. Oh, and in God, I'm on funeral, you know, all them do it trust that.
Yeah, man. Police, they can't see me too many police, they're wicked too, you know. Police organization,
yeah, man. Oh, man, you're a man, you know, right together, you kill him, and then after you kill him, you go him funeral. You have to be a unconscionable person, man.
Not true.
You know, them do it trust that, man. Them kill him, man, with Lenny money. You understand?
Me hear the
argument and them thing.
Yeah. And the bridge is for Europe and he say, I'm tell me about him.
You can't. That's why I mean, you know, a man become criminal still, you know. Because there's no honest criminal, you know. You for be a criminal and trust the next man who a criminal. When the whole owner, the first trait of a criminal, you have to be dishonest. So how you be friend with somebody like that? You know, that make sense to me, you know. The man, them just evil here, man.
Sir Porter, your parents actually, what was their profession?
Why it's so important to you?
Because you grow different from like Garrison, so how comes you not get caught up?
Well, because
I mean, Sir Porter. You have to question, I'm not asking.
Yeah, man. That's why I ask you. Well, the reason being on them thing is their background. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
And them
and teacher people
and them education and them thing. You understand?
Okay. So you move from get to an earlier age, you actually go till you become a police.
No, man. Mate. All right. Would it move in time? In a 80. That time the war start, and then move out, you know, got my mother country. Then after that pass common entrance, then go back and live a Waterford with my father. Then end up back. I see in place where I come from. Before, you understand?
Oh,
so that's why I'm gonna like stepmother. Yes, so you understand. So this I spend most of my life on them thing there. Cause me not end up after me left that, me not end up back there on them thing there. So me end up back on a concrete jungle, you know.
Oh, okay,
you understand. Okay. So that's why them said never throw a stone behind you. I just saw it go on them thing there. So I just see upbringing on them thing there. If you know where you want out of life, you just stay focused and you stay on that part, you know. When you live in a ghetto and them thing there, the role model them I negative people them.
Yeah.
You understand?
Your peers,
yeah. So in my community like me now, you know, go see them mural on the wall with me in a concrete jungle or Jonestown. Them see me as an informer. You will see a man. You see a man where you will see a Radcliffe as a man where them celebrate because I'm a killer. He might kill innocent people, you understand? He might kill other people and them thing there. You know, I go see my mural and them thing there in them places. Because me an informer.
Okay.
So I just go and them thing. But you know, hey, look here. Ghetto itself is a university, you know.
That's true.
You understand? If you come from a ghetto and them thing there, you know how to live, you know, you understand? You understand?
It's so true. I get a man, them operate different from a man born and grown in a country.
No, well, everybody a country now, so they come from ghetto.
Eh?
Everybody knows so they come from ghetto. All country people know so they come from ghetto. So that shows how people have low self-esteem.
Yeah, so I don't know. A person born and grown in a country is so different from the person born and grown in a girls.
Yeah. People a country used to have morals and them not like criminal, but now everybody a country want to be criminal.
Alright, but I'm going to get you. To how Jamaica run now, if a person see you as a square and you run a business, it gives them that sometimes the criminal I rush, we say, can I walk in and take out there something? Because you know, see as no bad people. If you know, see as no bad people, you know, they can just walk in a store and say, hey, give me that and walk out with it. But if you know so you're connected to somebody, they not do that so easy. Like myself.
True.
So sometimes me not grow my kids, you know. But if you not connected to a criminal or some person in Jamaica, you when it comes to certain things, you can imagine you're in a business, brother. And people will contact you, but they know you're connected.
They
might think twice. So do damn if you do. Don't damn if you don't.
But look, you see, well, still, I feel like political party now. One of them reward for criminality, you know, like PMP, because you know have nobody were related to Jim Brown or Claude Massacre in a Labour Party as councillor or member of Parliament. In a PMP, you have Angela Brown Burke. Her father was the most wanted man in 1980 onward. From 1970, you understand? And Tony Brown daughter, Angela Brown Burke. So when you're a PMP and you commit crime, just like how Macmillan become commissioner of police, I saw you go around them thing there. John Flash used to work up at Prime Minister office when PG are Prime Minister. So you know want more than that. So you know in a Jamaica and them thing there, once you connected to criminality, you get reward on them thing there, you know.
And I feel them go man.
Yeah man, you get reward, man.
Okay.
Yeah man, you get reward, man.
Sir Porter.
Yes, sir.
I ask you certain things. Me not tell you my name, but here I talk well and you call me name and stop. Why is a powerful man?
Why is it powerful? You wonder how me know your name?
Me not tell you my name, Bridget. And you call me name. You don't call it so then, like I said something. And you do something. I said, sir, put on easy, you know.
You say me not you say you not tell me your name, but me know your name?
Yes.
So you wonder how me know your name?
No, me not wonder.
Okay.
You're assisting, man. You can't do anything you want.
Alright, sir. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, you just go and take care of yourself. Is that joy talking with the man?
You too, man. And, Sir Porter.
Yes, sir.
We never too old for learn.
True.
As you say, when I hear the thing that you sift through them, because you have, I like listen to your channel, you know.
Yeah. So, before you go no further, so you join the Patreon squad?
No, I don't even know how to do that.
So you're not savvy. When you say you're not internet savvy?
When you say we press subscribe or something like that?
It's in a thing, man. It's in a description box.
So what me that press?
Alright, you just click on the link on them thing there. If anything, I can send it to you on them thing. And if you go upon it, if you go upon the Patreon, that way you get some things where you won't see on YouTube. And the reason why we do that, we do it deliberately on them thing there, you understand?
Okay. Yeah. So more like videos and stuff like that, you don't see.
Alright, I want to tell you, say you're going to see all about the boy named Derek Spratt. You understand? I mean Derek Spratt. Hey.
Who does that mean? Who is Derek Spratt?
Derek Spratt was it done for Kingston 13, man.
Okay,
he was like God to the people them. Hey, look here. Derek Spratt was you saw life funny. He was a labourite, him come from St. James today, he was a labourite, and move from a town and turn PMP and become big. Yeah, man.
So move to my Kingston.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 6, and just like that we have reached the end of it. Yes, in this compelling 10-part journey into the life, truth and testimony of a former Jamaican lawman. Here the man say, boy, even Newton Amos, I used to work with Mr. Amos and Hornsby, and he's telling you that Newton Amos, same man, a rear admiral. But as we said before, if he was, and if there was any corroborating evidence to that, would I say it on them thing about, we don't believe in a smearing people's name or anything like that, because you understand what I'm saying, we like to deal with the truth and nothing but the truth. So we're not going out there on a limb or anything like that to say anything like that, but that was his thing, but hey, hopefully we'll talk with Newton Amos one of these days, because we used to work with him. One thing we can tell you that Newton Amos, he was a police and him thing. Yeah, man, we have enough respect for him. For some reason or the other, we and him, we weren't friends per se. You understand? Him respect me as a worker, and I have respect for him. He know people that I knew before, from I was a teenager and all of these things. But you know what I mean? Just because you and people are friends mean that we are friends. You understand? Jamaica is a small place, and so the conversation remind us that behind every policeman's experience is a story, often untold and sometimes too heavy for words. But through these raw, honest exchanges, we begin to understand the real cost of service, the scars of silence, and the weight of bearing witness to both justice and injustice. So we thank our guests for his unwavering courage to speak the truth, not to glorify the past, but will guide the future. His voice echoes the realities that many current and former officers live with, but few dare to express. To our audience, if this episode made you pause, reflect, or consider what you thought you knew, then we have done our job. Because this series isn't about entertainment, it's about education, preservation, and revelation. And there's more to come. Stay tuned. Stay with us as we continue into part 7, where the discussion will dive even deeper into the corruption that festers in high places, the silent battles fought by decent officers, and the thin line between law enforcement and the betrayal. Until then, stay vigilant, stay informed, and above all, stay committed to truth. This is the Jamaica Young Police channel, and we don't just report, we expose. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.